Hello, welcome to this tutorial on Showbie. Obviously you want to try and navigate to www.showbie.com and we'll go ahead and get started. At the first part you'll come right to this screen here and you're going to look up in the corner, you'll see a sign-in screen. That's where we're going to go and get started, and you're now going to go ahead and log in as your children will already have a login account. So to go ahead and fill in the field with the username, which is highlighted there for you. And then once you've done that, you're going to go and move down and you're going to go ahead and add the password that I'll be providing you in your email. Once you're finished clicking on that, click sign in, and here we get to where we see the main screen found in Showbie. You're going to look up over there on the right where the arrow is pointing to, and you're going to see a couple of important areas. One spot where you log into your account and log out and can change some of your settings, and also notifications. Now over on the left side is where you're going to click on LJ 2024-2025, and you're going to see all the different folders of different work that we do, some of it in class and some of it obviously assigned as homework. We're now going to go ahead and take a look at how you can edit documents actually found in Showbie. It allows you to write on the screen if you've got a stylus, if you're using an iPad or a tablet device. You can add text notes by typing, which was what we're going to look at first here on this piece of English writing. So if you take a look at the tools up at the top there, you can see that you've got your pen, there's a highlighter, you've got a place to erase, and you also can record voice notes and also add in text. Always make the text as small as possible. It goes down to font size 12. So you can take a look at that. You can also change the colors, so I prefer either black or blue if you're writing on a homework assignment. Now, once you get to that, you can see that there's a text box below there, which is quite large, but you can begin typing in your answer, and once you click off of that answer, then you can go ahead and you can move it to where the answer line is at, and it'll have it all lined up nice and neatly. Also, if you need to with your assignments, you can increase the size of it so that they look bigger, so it's easier to write on if you're using, again, a stylus. It's also handy, you'll notice that I've got the different folders. So one of them is the spellings, which you've received a copy of, but if you for some reason lose it, or if you're in the car, you can get a hold of those. So if you take a look and click on it, you'll see that on the first page there are the year 3 spellings. If you go down below, there's the year 4 spellings, and it contains all the spellings for the first half of the autumn term. Which allows kids then to kind of look ahead and see what other words that we'll be studying, and familiarize themselves with what's on there to begin with. All the different types of folders are quite easy to navigate around. We use some of them for our maths lessons, for our history lessons. There's lots of different things that we're using with Showbie actually in the classroom as well. So you can see here on the maths paper, you can actually write using a stylus. At the top there, again, if you click over on the pen on the left side and increase the size of well, first we'll make your lines smaller and increase the size of the paper, that's going to allow you to go ahead and write your answers right on there. Now, I will be including another folder that's just going to have lots of practice work for times tables and different maths things that we will be doing over the year, just to continue to practice it for mastery. Once you've completed an assignment as well, and you close the actual assignment, then you can actually go ahead and add your own comments just simply by writing in the text box. or you can add voice comments as well. Showbie is really quite a nice little platform to communicate things very, very quickly and to get help if you find something difficult, because you can always write a little message which will let me know and I can see what's happening. And that way, if you have a question about any of your work, feel free to ask me about that, and I'll try and answer it as soon as I can. I hope this little tutorial has helped everybody. There's a lot to look over. My suggestion is to go ahead and take just a bit of time getting used to using this platform, and after you get to grip with it, it'll be actually pretty easy. Again, there will be an email that's going to be coming out with all of the login information for your own individual children. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a lovely evening.